what is control power in a control system, what is the voltage that's used for control power, and what was the way it used to be in old control systems. So let's start with what is control power. So control power is going to be the power that's used to control your control equipment. So it can power your PLCs, it can power your Modbus communication gateways, back-end gateways, any kind of gateway that requires 20 volts DC to be powered up. It can power up your sensors in the field that run up 20 volts DC that fed off the panel. They can come out of there. So it's what allows your control system to actually do work to control things. It needs low voltage control power. So what's the voltage that's used? Modern control power that's used? 24 volts DC. You'll see multiple flavors and manufactured power supplies. You'll have your AC coming into the bottom or the top, and the output of it's going to be 24 volts DC. Usually you have adjustable ones. The difference between the manufacturers could be the amperage rating. It could be different type of protections they have with those power supplies, but they do the same thing. They supply 24 volts DC to your control system for control power. And I guess back in the day, way before I got into controls, it all used to be 120 volts for control power AC. 120 volts AC is way more dangerous than 24 volts DC. 24 volts DC is considered like extra low voltage, so it's very safe to work around. You don't need electrical PPE. There's always a risk, always, but it's way less. It's way safer than 124 volts. Sorry, 120 volts AC. Imagine troubleshooting a simple sensor in the field, and you have 120 volts right there. That's a lot more precaution have to be taken, as opposed to if it was just powered by a 24 volts DC. Hope this helps, guys.